What's up, y'all? Cooking some dinner before I crack a shower and head to bed. Train passes by real close to where I'm at, right about the same time every night, like clockwork, if you will. I grew up on old school movies. Some of them I liked, some of them I didn't like. But whether I liked them or not, I always got a message from them. One movie that I'm gonna shout on is, I'll be surprised if half of you all know about Shenandoah. The Jimmy Stewart movie. But there was one instance where Jimmy Stewart and his kids, they tried to stay out of the war till the end, till they were almost forced to get into it. And the one train had a whole bunch of prisoners on it, and the train man had pretty much stated, like, yo, I don't make the rules, I just drive the train. And Jimmy Stewart, he sat there and he said in that voice and told him, he said, this train takes them where they don't want to go. And you still take them there. So, I would recommend watching the movie because my impression of Jimmy Stewart is some shit. But, the message is still the same. What would you do in that situation? Would you burn the train? Would you put people who were operating on that situation? Would you stop the train? Especially, and it takes another level with how fast trains go these days. Because you would almost have to derail it to do what he did. So, my question is, what would you do? I don't know. Me personally, I'd probably throw some rocks up and watch it divert. But hey, if you feel comfortable with answering, put it in the comments section.